This is the new Watch Ultra 2 and this is the Watch Series 9. Which one works best for you? Well, there are a couple of reasons you need to look at and you may end up finding a couple of reasons to buy one over other. Between Watch Ultra 2 and Watch Series 9, there is the biggest difference, which is make or break for you. Apple this year didn't change the battery numbers on Watch Ultra 2 and Watch Series 9, and we got the same numbers just like the last year on both devices. Apple Watch Ultra 2 would last about 36 hours on the normal mode and about 72 hours on the low power mode, and Watch Series 9 would last about 18 hours or a full day, depends on how you use your watch. Whereas per Watch Ultra from last year, it can easily last about 2 to 3 days, depends on how you use your watch. So for battery life, I would go with the Watch Ultra 2 instead of Watch Series 9, and if you are on a Watch Ultra first generation, you don't need to update for a battery. This is one of the highlighted features of this year Watch Ultra 2 and Watch Series 9, a new chipset. Both shares the same S9 chip and a new ultra wideband chip. Now this new chipset allows both Series 9 and Watch Ultra 2 to give us some useful features. The new double tap feature is one of the most interesting one, which you can use to answer the call or to record a voice and many more. This feature comes handy when you are riding a bike. Also, the ultra-wideband chipset helps for more precise location of the missing objects, like your iPhone, your AirTag, or other Apple devices. Despite having a new power-efficient chipset, Watch Ultra 2 and Watch Series 9 shares the same battery numbers, so for performance, both shares the same performance numbers. The display is where things changed. Watch Ultra last year came with the 2000 nits of peak brightness, and this year, Watch Series 9 came with the whopping 2000 nits of peak brightness, twice as last year Watch Series 8. But Watch Ultra 2 comes with whopping 3000 nits of peak brightness, brightest display on any Apple device till date. 1000 nits more than the Watch Series 9, which definitely looks great. Also, both watches can go to 1 Hz to save up some battery. The build quality on Watch Ultra 2 is what makes it different from Watch Series 9. It is more durable watch, which comes with the titanium build, and a flat display, which is better for durability. And we got an extra button on Ultra 2, an action button just like last year. And Watch Ultra 2 comes with only one size, 49mm, compared to 41mm and 45mm on Watch Series 9. And Series 9 comes with the same curved display just like last year, but an added pink color, where Watch Ultra 2 comes with only one color option, a natural titanium. It was expected to get a black version of Watch Ultra 2, but sad it is not coming. So if you need a different color option, Series 9 could be an option. But if you are the person who got out a lot, should consider Watch Ultra instead of Series 9. Also, the price is what matters the most. Watch Ultra 2 comes with the $799 price tag, same as Watch Ultra, but twice as Series 9, which is at $399. So if you don't have a budget, you should think about it. If you guys want to see how iPhone 15 Pro Max performs against the iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.